Good evening, sir.
Good evening, one and all. I'm so much pleased and happy to invite you for this day 9 free spoken English classes. Today, we will be discussing certain scenarios which help us stay connected with the communicative English. We would also explore vocabulary as well as free talk drills. All the participants who have a lot of enthusiasm to develop English, who still feel that they have neglected it, not just because they didn't have passion, but because they could not find time. So sometimes lack of time uh, makes us become passive. This is not the ultimate reason for being away from learning and speaking English. Another important aspect is, in my observation, lack of appropriate guidance.
Yes.
We have many materials, number of books, but after the advent of internet, each one of us, got materials in our smartphones, and number of websites. Of course, YouTube channel offers. It's a pipeline of various think tanks. Having said that, it is still felt there is a sort of lacuna, a gap is still felt. What is being taught online, I mean, in a video, is not going to help us because there could be culture difference, there can be accent difference, there can be, the standard, the level in which the video is made. There are certain reasons why people cannot become so active. But
तुम्हारे हिसाब से चलेगा
here
हमेशा
in these
फोन तुम्हारे
sessions,
हिसाब
what we are doing absolutely these sessions in accordance with the views and practical involvement of the participants and expectations of the participants. So the right guidance is something that helps steer away all confusions, ambiguities, difficulties, and differences in learning and speaking English. We are trying our level best to give you some confidence. This is not going to be ultimate. You could find the premier versions and a fantastic and extraordinary mentoring somewhere, but it's an initial effort just to make you feel happy in speaking English. Welcome to this session.
Thank you. Sir.
Very good evening to all of you. Let's get started now.
Good evening.
We have got a task here. Straight away, speak about rain, speak about friends, speak about living in cities, speak about yoga, speak about student life. I guess these topics would be very, very enthusiastic, and they would give much interest. You would be more curious to talk about. We are not going to give time because it's the 9th day, which means we have maximized our capability. So we are not going to give time to practice for the tasks. Well, let me start with Srikant Mishraji. Over to you, Srikant Mishraji. You have 30 seconds to finish this task.
Okay, sir. On one topic, sir.
Yes, first topic is rain. Quickly, 30 seconds. It's a free talk, and you will have to respond on all these topics: friends, living in cities, yoga, student life. Quickly, don't mind about grammar. Speak fluently, effortlessly.
Okay.
That's what we expect.
I have to cover all the five in
First
30
one.
seconds.
First one. All of you will finish the first one. Next.
Okay. Rain is very important for us and for our agriculture. Rain, if rains less, then the agriculture field suffer a lot. But it rains sufficient, then it is good. And rain should be in time. If it rains without season, then it could be harmful to the farmers, because every crop has a different need of water, and because of the need, rain should be according to the need of the farmers, and our environment is such like as that every time I think it rains according to the crops. So it is good for us that in our country rain is according to us, and if we can maintain the underwater
Time's up.
because
Thank you. Time's up.
okay
Thank you.
sir.
Uma ma'am.
Yes, sir. The rainy season starts June month. In rainy season, weather is pleasant, cool breeze, come to cool breeze. All are used in umbrellas and raincoats. In rainy season, the plants, grass, looking at attractive. In the rainy season, farmers cultivate in their fields. All rivers, ponds received the plenty of rainwater. Collect to.
Time's up, ma'am. Thank you. Prakash.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the meanwhile, I request the rest of the participants to get ready with the next topics. That way you can have refined ideas.
Yes.
Sir, first thing, I love rain, sir.
Turn
The
on video.
atmosphere before rain is also very beautiful, sir. The sky is cloudy, the cool breezes come, etc. And during rain, we humans as well as animals enjoy a lot, sir. Small grass
Thank
comes
you.
out of mud.
Next. Charita.
Yes, sir. Rain is very wonderful. In my childhood, I played a lot, and it is also very helpful. It is also helpful for farming. It is helpful to produce food to all people in our country. And in rainy season, the weather was very
Thank you.
cool and
Next.
very nice.
Vijay Kumar.
Good evening, sir. Sir, can you repeat the question, sir?
The topic is rain. You have become late today, Vijay Kumar. You have not been attending classes. Why?
Sir, due to network problems, sir. Data is not.
I don't believe in all these things. No. Don't tell me cock and bull stories, Vijay. You have to be very, very thorough and enthusiastic boy. You need to grow like in life. These stories were told earlier, 20 years ago, not now. Due to network. Oh my gosh. Are you not using YouTube? Are you not using WhatsApp? Are you not on social media?
Sir.
See, data pack is
Sir,
there,
here-
151 rupees pack, Geo. Please go for that. You can just enjoy 30 classes, extra features also. Don't tell me any stories. Be enthusiastic and show your passion. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Rain is very important in our life. With the help of rain, farmers are very happy, and we can grow many crops, and which are useful. Which are useful to get a good fruits and vegetables, and
Thank you. Thank you very
which
much.
are useful.
Thank you very much. Have you finished train with all the participants today? Has anyone been left? I don't think so. Yes. Let's get started again with the next topic. Next topic is friends. You can see the topic is on friends. Yes. Now, Mishra ji.
Sir, friends are very necessary for us because friends are those people who can say about us everything without hesitation, and we should maintain friendship with good people. This should be also regarded that we should be friends with good people because our friends show our personality. Which type of
Thank
our
you.
personality is?
Thank you. Next. Uma ma'am.
Friends are very important in our life. they are give good suggestions. Give,
మంచి సూచనలు ఇచ్చే మన జీవిత
they are better to our relations. They met very joyful and crack jokes. Happiness will come.
Good. You used 30 seconds. Fantastic, ma'am. Perfectly. Next, Prakash.
Sir, good friends are very important in our lives, sir. A good friend is compared to 100 books. The problems which we shy to share with parents, also we share with friends. We feel free with friends and play with them. We share all of our problems. A good friend makes us to reach the top, to reach our maximum level. Our point. If we want to know the
Next,
personality of one
next.
person.
Sarita.
Sir, friends play a vital role in our life. We made many naughty things with the help of friends. We share anything openly with friends only, and they are also very helpful in difficulty times. They give many suggestions to achieve our goal. That's it, sir.
Thank you. Next. Who is there next?
Vijay Kumar.
Ma'am, have you finished? Reference?
I finished it, sir. Vijay Kumar is.
Vijay Kumar. Babu, please come.
Friends plays a very important role in our life. Friends are the most important in studies and other activities. We can share our ideas, and they help in our difficulties, and they support in our every situations. So friends are very important, and we identify who is good one and who is bad person. Good friendship makes a good life.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Friends, now I'm not going to take your 30 seconds presentations. Let's just change the model of doing the activities. Let's do a conversation with friends. Now we are around 5. 3 will be one room and 2 will be another room. I'm going to make the breakout rooms, and please discuss. The topic is living in cities. In the meanwhile,
Get fresh air as much as in villages. What is your opinion, ma'am?
We lived in cities, many advantages are there. Hospitals are availability better than to villages. We travel one place to.
There is also disadvantages, ma'am.
Yeah, also
there is
lot of disadvantages are there, but compared to villages to compare to the cities, more advantages, sir. My opinion.
and it is also educationally it is also one of the advantages.
Yes.
For education, cities are
Better.
Vijay Kumar, can we say about living in cities?
Yes, there are so many advantages and disadvantages about living in
Early in the morning every day. Hello, sir.
Yeah, I am listening. Actually,
Sir,
my son has come and he is saying something. So I think that you will be disturbed because you are telling something about yoga. I do yoga daily.
Okay. Sir, actually,
it is my routine that I run about for 3 miles per day, and I do yoga for at least 20 or 25 minutes. And this is my routine from the last 6 to 7 years. This is a very good thing, I think. What is your view about yoga?
Sir, doing yoga is very beneficial, sir. We should do yoga so that we can improve our health. But I used to do yoga when I was in university or in schools, but now I'm not doing, sir. Yes, sir.
Why are you not doing yoga nowadays?
Sir, I shouldn't complain about time, sir, but sir, it's circumstances are like that, sir.
Okay.
Well, it must have been a very decent journey with your friends to talk about living in cities. You have done some comparative study and you discussed well with all supporting details. Now, let me just share this here again. Yes. The second one is friends. Third one, living in cities. We are done with this. And number 4, yoga. So it's again free talk, weekly. Present your views. Uma ma'am, 30 seconds.
Yes, sir. Yoga is health purpose. Daily, we are we should yoga daily. Narendra Modi government announced June 21st is the yoga day. Everyone do yoga every day. It is more health benefits. In Corona season, COVID season, breathing exercise is more important in our life. Daily, 20 minutes breathing exercise. Do that.
Charita, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. We celebrate International Yoga Day in June 21st. We should do yoga daily. It is very helpful for strengthen our health both physically and mentally. And I think we also decrease many diseases with the help of yoga. And in this COVID time, it is very necessary, sir. That's it.
Mishra ji.
Sir, actually, I think yoga is a very broad criteria to speak with, because yoga is a thing not to do exercise of body only, but it is a state of mind also. In whole day, we have to, in a yogic mood, that we should help others, we should do good things, and we should be always happy, because the happiness is within ourselves. Happiness and pain is within ourselves, so we should feel that we are doing yoga every time. I do yoga regularly, and I run about 2 or 3 miles daily, and after that warm up, I do yoga postures daily about 20 to 25 minutes, and this
Thank you,
is
sir.
beneficial for me. Okay.
Prakash.
Sir, yoga is very essential in day-to-day life, sir. We should do yoga regularly. So we celebrate International Yoga Day for encouraging people to do yoga. Sir, that's it, sir.
Vijay.
Yoga is very important. With the help of yoga, we can get a good health, and not only good health, we can get a relief from the depressions, and we are very happy. We are living very happy without stress. So yoga is very important. But in previous days, it is not from it is from so many years ago. It is very important, and today yoga everywhere we can
Time's up.
learn.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Vijay Kumar. Anyone has been left? I don't think so. Have you all given your presentations on yoga? Right. Next, the last one today in free talk, student life. Uma ma'am.
Student life is very memorable thing of my life. Those days, no pains, no obligations. We were playing much time. We were going to movies, park. Much time we were playing. those days మళ్ళీ రావు. Again, not come. Those days
All right.
again not come.
Yeah, you would say those days cannot come again.
Cannot come
Get
again.
that opportunity. Time has
Yes.
gone into oblivion.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Great. Ma'am, you said much time playing. I think you can use one word. That is, we were playing endlessly.
Endlessly.
There was no
Playing.
end for games because parents left us and no obligations. You said very perfectly. No
Yes.
obligations and no other tasks except playing. So innocent life it used to be. So you could use, instead of saying playing, please use this word endlessly. Then there was no
Endless.
interruption at all. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Shrikant Mishra ji.
Sir, student life is a very memorable days for everyone, and these days are very much important for everybody because the person who is studying in college or school, he was near his God, I think so, because teacher is like a God for him, because teacher is a person who always wants that our student should grow and he should prosper, and every teacher wants that his student will get a more proficient job than his job. So
Time's up. Thank
student life is also full of. Okay, sir, I want to say one sentence also
Please.
about this. This is not related to this topic, but a incident happened about 2 or 3 days before. My brother has came to Banayu in my house. So when he was taking online class, he was a captain in NCC. So he was teaching online class to his cadets, NCC cadets. So one student of his, he saw in Zoom class that one of the student of his is wrapping a मतलब कंबल ओढ़ रखा था उसने, wrapping a कंबल over him. Then my brother asked him that why are you wearing this in so much hot weather and the sunlight is so much harsh today. Then he said that sir, network is not proper downside, so I came upside in and I am sitting in sunlight so that I can join the class. So this is the dedication of that students towards that class. I think everybody should take this type of dedication, because teacher is teaching because of grace of God, and he is like a God for every student in every situation, I think. So my brother is so much कहना चाहिए कि वो भावुक हो गए थे उस समय. He got सुन के उसको कि इतना वो धूप पे बैठा हुआ है.
Fantastic. Great, sir. Thank you. Kudos to your brother and the student for having got the student and for having got a wonderful opportunity in life being a teacher. Thank you very much. Next, Prakash.
Student life is a beautiful part in everyone's lives, sir. Usually student won't have any responsibilities in that time. He can play whatever, he can do whatever he wants. And sir, I should note down, sir, before speaking.
Vijay Kumar.
Student life is a very important in a person, because student life is a base for the every grown-up person. When there is a no standard base, then a person will not grown up. We get a very happy moments and get a good knowledge about everything. So it is it is a time to learn more about and build a good character for developing purpose. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vijay. Charita.
Sir, student life is very awesome. We enjoy a lot. And if you make any naughty things, no one can ask us. There is no restrictions. By growing, responsibilities are increasing. Mm, we played so much time with our friends, and student life is very important to achieve our targets. That's it, sir.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Charita. You did a good job. Now, few observations from your presentations today. So let me just show them on paper. May I have your attention, please? All of you turn on your videos. Please take a look at this. In today's presentations, a few grammatical issues which crept in. For instance, one of you has said, I don't name, but you have said they argue. They argue. This is absolutely a wrong interpretation, wrong way of saying something. So you can't say like that. You can say, you might say they give, either they give or they gave in the past tense. So sometimes you might also say they are giving, could still be possible. They are giving us some help these days. That means they are helping us in clearing all the problems, debts, and financial issues. You can say they give. It's present simple tense. They give simple past tense, and they are giving present continuous tense. They are giving some help, or they are giving some backup, like that you can say. But you can't say simply they argue. So this is wrong. Why wrong? Subject is they, and are is not possibly kept
Yes,
between
yes.
subject and verb unless it is used in the continuous form. Are can be kept between they and giving because it's continuous tense. And this is one important aspect that I wanted to tell you. And the
Yes.
second thing is they also very helpful. They also very helpful. You can guess the kind of problem with this particular statement. What is missing here? You can say in the past tense they were also helpful, or in the present context they are helpful. That's it. If you want to say somebody is so helpful, or a group of people, you can say they are helpful. In the past tense, by changing this verb into were, you will be probably indicating, and it is present and were is past. So that you can probably understand, please supply appropriate verb form, can directly use without a verb. And number 3, in June 21st, in June 21st. So we can't say like this. When you express month and plus date, you can use in before months, like in June or in July. But you can't say in June 21st. 21st is the date. So how would you express this? On June 21st. This is how you can express. On is necessary. It's a preposition which is to be used before dates, and on is used before weeks, days, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, on Monday, on Tuesday. In is used before months, in January, in February, in March, and in is used before years, in 2020, in 2019. This way you can probably say. And the next thing is much time playing, playing. So this was actually briefed about, and I said instead of using playing, so you were playing a lot of time, then you can probably add endlessly. When something did not have any end, you can say we were playing endlessly. Much time is also not necessary even. And next thing is, my brother has came to Badayam. This is the name of a place. Sir, what is the spelling for Badaim? Srikanth sir.
Sir, Budaun.
B-A-U?
Badaun.
B-A-B-A-U-N, huh?
No, Badaun. Daun. Yes, sir. Fine.
Yes, thank you very much. See here, the problem is has came. How is it possible? It's absolutely wrong. So the correct one is
Yes.
my
Has
brother.
come. Yes.
My brother has come
Has come,
to Badaim.
badam.
This is correct. According to present perfect tense, where we use subject
Yes.
plus has or have plus verb third form plus object. So this is how you might probably say has, have plus V3. So come three forms. What are the three forms for come? Please learn here. Come, came,
Came, come.
and come. So this form is used here so that we need to be cautious while using this word. So my brother has come. My sister has come. My father has come. My friend has come. Never say my friend has came. Has came is wrong. That's wrong combination. And next thing, a person will not grown up. So you can probably say, where is the mistake here? Double mistake. A person, can you change this? Will not grow up. That's it.
Grow.
A person will not grow. This is future simple tense. A person will not go. Based on some assumptions or some supporting views, we might say this. So what is the problem here? Grown. This is V3 form. So what are the three forms for grow? GROW, GREW, and GROWN. So
Double.
in the context of future tense,
O missing.
in the context of future tense, we will not use V3 form. The structure is this simply subject plus
V1.
shall or
V-
will plus V1 plus object. So shall or will become ill. So there is no much importance about that. So a person will not. It's a negative sentence. So a person won't. You can
Won't.
also say in contractual version. This is it. And number 7 again. It is a time to learn. Please write down all these things I can. It is a time to learn. Someone has said. So what is the problem with this particular thing? So you can say it is
A. Wonderful.
simply it is time to learn.
Okay.
That's it. It's correct. It is time to learn. It is time to go. It is time to come. It is time to make a call. It is time to have dinner. It is time to wind up the session. The last one from your presentations is there is no restrictions. There is no restrictions. So the problem with this particular sentence is, you know very well, if the verb is singular, that's finite verb here. This is a verb in the sentence. So it is singular here. So you are supposed to provide singular object here. There is no restriction. It's correct. There is no restriction. Well, you want to say restrictions, then you change the verb is into are. There are no restrictions could be possible. So while using are, you are using as a plural finite verb because the object is restrictions is plural. But if you want to keep is, you must use restriction. Either this one or this one. Either way, you can still make use of them. This is it, friends. I'll share this content on WhatsApp, no problem. And you will probably get some ideas from all the mistakes that we usually make. Okay. So this is it
Yes.
for today. Well, now we are going to have another important task.
I think
Yeah. She need to save money for buying a bike.
It is necessary. It is necessary to her. Necessary
save
for
money.
her.
Ma'am, can
use it
we
to
use
have to.
must? Must, ma'am.
Must.
We can use must also, but in the sentence it is necessary for her to save money, but it is not necessary that she will save money, because it is her criteria.
Because without money, she can't buy a bike, sir, I think.
I think have to is better to this sentence.
Okay. Sir, screen is not.
Next one.
He
You have to
wants
write one collective answer, friends. You are wasting time. You are not discussing.
have
Just
to
4 minutes left.
have-
All of you must agree with one particular answer. Each one of you should share your points. Don't be quiet.
Sir,
How
I
to?
think
have
need.
to.
Please write down the scenario quickly in your notebooks or take the screenshot. Then you can discuss seeing that.
Second sentence must.
You want?
He wants
Yes,
to catch
must
the next auto. So it is necessary for him to leave soon.
leave soon. Must, ma'am.
Must.
He must.
Must.
And third sentence, it was third sentence ought to. Ought to.
Yes, sir, ought to.
Ought to. It is
Because
effect
it is
who are
responsibility and
responsible to
obligation.
report to the police. Ought to.
Mm.
Fourth sentence,
We are not allowed to
Have-
take children inside
have
the
to.
theater.
have to. Because
Sir,
we are not allowed.
can't we issue?
Inside the necessity.
Must not
We are
allow.
not allowed to take children inside the theater.
Must not and have to, I think both are correct. And what are your views? Bataye. Speak, please.
My
Sir, we can use we
Okay.
mustn't take children inside the theater.
mustn't.
Okay.
Mustn't. We are not
Mustn't.
allowed to take children inside the theater. Need not.
Fifth sentence, I think should.
Don't
Should,
pay
sir.
now. Pay
Don't
when
pay
the
now.
Pay when the courier boy
delivers
delivers the parcel.
You should
Should.
pay when the courier boy delivers the parcel.
Fourth one. We are not allowed to take children inside the theater. What is
We
your
mustn't
opinion?
We must
allowed.
take children inside the theater. We mustn't
Yeah.
take children inside the
Must.
theater.
It does not come under obligation.
But it is prohibited, so we use mustn't.
It is prohibited. It is prohibited, so must should come.
Okay. Fifth one.
Fifth one should. Don't
Should.
pay now.
First,
Pay when the courier boy delivers the parcel.
we can decide finally for 1 to 5th. First
Have,
sentence.
have
Okay.
got to fifth one.
No. Yeah, it can be. Okay. The first sentence
First
have got to.
one,
Second
have to.
sentence.
Have to.
Have to.
Must.
Second
First
one
sentence have
must.
to.
Ought to.
Second
Ought to.
must. Third ought. Fourth
Mustn't.
mustn't. Fifth should. Should. Sir, it's complete now.
We have finished it, sir.
Are you done with the task?
Yes, sir.
So you can say we are done. We are
We
done.
We have finished.
We are done means we have finished. Don't have to say we have. Simply we are done with the task. That will be great from your end. Thank you very much. You have saved time. Now, quickly, Please, Uma ma'am, please comment
Yes,
on first point. It is necessary to save money for buying a bike. So please just give your general view on this. So in which context and in which
My-
particular family usually people have to think like this to buy a bike, saving money, something like that? What is the condition of the family according to your opinion? Can you please explain this scenario? I will take your answers later. It's an imaginary story. Imagine there is a girl in which level of family. So the family is financial level. At what level
Yes, sir.
families do think like this? To buy a bike, they have to save personally. They need to keep some amount every month. So which standard of the financial status with regard to your family?
Sir, this is a family of, I think, middle class or upper middle class. Or it can be that the family is not maintaining the financial needs of the family. So the girl is sad for this, and it can also happen that the family members wants the girl to manage the financial
Thank
needs
you very
of
much.
her.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So usually when does the situation happen, Prakash? He wants to catch the next auto. So it is necessary for him to leave soon. In which context can you see this kind of scenario?
Sir, some accident might happen to his relative, sir, so that he wants to go to hospital immediately. So he wants to leave that place and have to get the next auto to reach the hospital.
Oh, your creative juices are flowing. They are overflowing.
Thank you, sir.
All of you are good at creativity. So whatever I'm
Super.
asking, you are trying to connect something somewhere. So
Super,
very
Durga.
meaningful and so creative, ma'am. Ma'am, are they not? So you're all doing well.
Super, sir, Durga.
Excellent. Number 3, Charita, it's a theft.
Yes,
You are
sir.
responsible to report it to the police. So can you please bring out a kind of speech presentation?
Yes, sir. I am walking in the on the road. In front of me, one thief theft the purse of one person. Then I complained to the police.
Great.
That's it, sir.
Right. Vijay. So
Yes, sir.
don't pay now, pay when the courier boy delivers the parcel. What is the situation actually? Did you ever have this experience to just hear or do this one?
Actually, when we are done online shopping, it is very important point to notice, because sometimes it may not work properly online shopping. So in these times, we are very aware about this topic.
Please speak authoritatively. Please speak confidently. Please speak with strength in voice, Mr. Vijay, and never fumble and never have weak voice. Whatever you have in your mind, put across confidently. Confident is very, very important. Don't just stay calm. Don't be weak. Well, it's 8:59. Only 1 minute is left. Before I wind up today's session, I'm asking Uma to give the answers for all these things, because I gave you 5 minutes to identify the answers. Options have been given there in the bracket. Uma, what to you? Please conclude. Your team, all of you have discussed, I believe, and you should have the answers with you. Please tell us.
Yes, sir. First one, it is necessary for her save money for buying a bike. How to?
Conclude.
He
ma'am.
wants to catch the next auto, so it is necessary for him to leave soon. Must. It's a theft. You are responsible to report it to the police. Ought to. We are not allowed to take children inside the theater. Mustn't. Don't pay now. Pay when the courier boy delivers the parcel. Should.
But you have only identified the appropriate, or maybe the words that you think they are appropriate, but you have to write sentences based
Yes,
on the
yes.
scenarios. It is necessary for her to save money for buying a bike. Make a sentence. This is your homework. Tomorrow I'll ask
Okay.
5 sentences, and please be
Okay, sir.
prepared and come prepared. You need to present all these 5 sentences. This is your work. With this being
Okay,
said,
sir.
I just would like to take leave of you. So this is it for today, and we are so much progressing in English language. Friends, what is the best technique to speak English? It is speaking.
Yes,
When you
sir.
speak, you will automatically come across your pitfalls in language. When you start speaking only, you'll understand where your problems actually lurk. And if you don't ever speak, it will become like a dream. You just want to speak, but you never do that. But you buy books, you have websites at your tip of your fingers, you never
No.
explore. You want speaking English, that's a spoken English. Speak, always speak. And next,
సడన్ గా మీరు అడిగినప్పుడు మాత్రం కొంచెం భయం అనిపిస్తుంది సార్ మాట్లాడటానికి. ఓకే, ఇచ్చేసి 30 seconds 1 minute అనేసరికి అబ్బా ఏం మాట్లాడాలి, ఎలా వస్తుందా, అసలు మాట్లాడతామా అనిపిస్తుంది సార్. కానీ తప్పో ఒప్పో మాట్లాడటం అనేది కరెక్ట్. అది.
yes, thank you, ma'am. This is
Thank you,
very
sir.
important.
Thank you very much, sir.
This is very important. We need to keep aside our fears. Nothing is impossible. Everything is
Yes.
possible. Only thing is commitment and
Yes.
belief. What is there in it? Friends, let's work holistically, and let's work confidently, and let's gain good command over English language. With this being said, I'd like to take you off. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.